Hey guys, so we are in the town of Kichijoji. We are about to head to the Ghibli Museum here, and we put our names down to check out Happy Pancake, but we have a bit of a wait, so we're just roaming around, you know, just to see what else is in this area. And then we discover that my favorite Abura Soba place is right here. I literally recognized it by this gray facade. The Shinjuku one has the exact same thing. And then I saw this and I was like, could it be the same? And then I saw this and I recognized the logo. I am so happy. So we are going to eat Abura Soba, aka oil noodles, while we wait for our pancakes. So the way you order, you choose the size of the bowl that you want, how many noodles, and then you can choose to add toppings. So you can see this is the vending machine, small, medium, large, and then this is regular, this is spicy. And then you choose which toppings you want. This is egg, bamboo shoots, pork, scallions, nori, and then this is extra 2 slices of pork. So it's a little bit more expensive to add extra pork. So you want to put your money in. Do you want spicy, babe, or regular? Alright, this isn't spicy, right? Medium? Okay, medium. And then you want the pork, right? Do you want the extra pork? No. So we're gonna do that. Actually, I want the extra pork. Alright. So then we're done here. And then you just press this when you're done. And it'll spit out your change. And then it gives you your tickets that you give to the guys that you can make your order. Alright guys, so these are the instructions for how to eat the Abura Soba. It's basically telling you that, you know, you want to mix in the rice wine vinegar and chili oil and onion into your bowl. But this third one apparently says that you want to eat it while it's hot, because as it cools, the deliciousness will decrease. So you want extra deliciousness. So they literally pour in this boiling water just to warm the bowl. Alright, the Abura Soba has arrived. What you want to do, you want to first just break into that egg. Oh, look at that oozy, velvety yolk. You want to add in vinegar, chili oil, and in here is onion, raw onion. Stir that up. There's all this sauce. Oh, look at that. All the sauce on the bottom. Just stir it all around. It's so much easier to stir. Also, make sure you get a fork because this is messy. Oh my god. It's just as amazing as I remember. Wow. I love vinegar. But I love more vinegar. We also have that chashu that we added. Mmm, so tender. Alright, when you're here, you also want to ask them for yuzu kosho. Yuzu is a Japanese citrus. It's kind of like a cross between a lime and an orange. And they have this condiment called yuzu kosho where they mix the yuzu with a type of Japanese pepper. And so we're gonna add a little of this. It's seriously one of my favorite condiments. You're gonna add this, and what it's gonna do, it's gonna add like a very bright citrusy note to this very rich noodle dish. So you wanna make sure it's really well combined. Let's get it right. Wow. Oh my god. So I've made this at home. going to link a recipe to make a copycat version of this, but they're definitely doing some magic here, obviously, with Japan. Like, they have multiple branches of this all over Tokyo. This is going to definitely be better than to make at home, but, you know, there is a way to get at least close to the real thing. The moral of the story, especially when you're traveling, you see a street that looks cool, you're kind of looking, it's like a little further away, just walk to it, unless it's not safe, but like, just, you'll never know what you might find if you go down the unexplored path.